Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about how to write the VHDL program for 2 to 4 decoder. Okay. Decoder is used to decode the input. It converts the binary value into another coded form. Okay. This is the VHDL code for 2 to 4 decoder using case statement. Okay. In this, input is the input of the 2 to 4 decoder. Y is the output. Okay. In 2 to 4 decoder, we have 2 inputs and 4 outputs. Okay. So input is 2 bits value. So input colon in STD logic vector 1 down to 0. Input of 1. Input of 0, input of 1 is the MSB bit, input of 0 is the LSB bit. Next, Y colon out STD logic vector 3 down to 4. Y is the 4 bits value. So Y colon Y is the output also. So Y colon out STD logic vector 3 down to 0. Y of 3 is the MSB bit. Y of 0 is the LSB bit. Okay. In the first line, entity name is decoder 2 to 4. So entity decoder 2 to 4 is. Next, I am declaring input output ports of the 2 to 4 decoder. The third line, you have to write end entity name. Entity name is decoder 2 to 4. So end decoder 2 to 4. Next, architecture part. In the architecture part, first you have to write architecture name of entity name is. In this program, arc is the architecture name, decoder 2 to 4 is the entity name. So architecture arc of decoder 2 to 4 is. Next, you have to use begin. In this program, I am using case and process statement to define the logic of the 2 to 4 decoder. Okay. In 2 to 4 decoder, if input is 0, 0, then the output will be, then the output Y of naught will be 1. Okay. So when input is 0, 0, Y of naught, then Y of naught is equal to 1. The remaining outputs all are equal to 0. Okay. Next, when input is 0, 1, then Y of 1 is equal to 1. The remaining outputs all are equal to 0. Next, when input is 1, 0, Y of 2 is equal to 1. Since the binary value is 1, 0, so the output Y of 2 will be 1. The remaining outputs all are equal to 0. When others means when input is 1, 1, then Y of 3 is equal to 1. The remaining outputs all are equal to 0. Okay. If input is 0, 0, Y of naught is equal to 1. If input is 0, 1, then Y of 1 is equal to 1. If input is 1, 0, then Y of 2 is equal to 1. If input is 1, 1, then Y of 3 is equal to 1. Okay. Now I am closing case statement. So end space case. Next I am closing process statement. So end space process. Next I am closing architecture. So end space architecture name. Architecture name is arc. Okay. This is the VHDL program for 2 to 4 decoder. Okay. This is the VHDL code for 2 to 4 decoder using logical equation. So already you have studied in digital electronics. In 2 to 4 decoder, Y0 is equal to A bar B bar, Y1 is equal to A bar B, Y2 is equal to A B bar, Y3 is equal to A B. Okay. In this program, A and B are inputs, Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3 are outputs. Okay. So each one is a single bit value. So a comma b colon in std logic semicolon y0 comma y1 comma y2 comma y3 colon out std logic. End entity name. In this program, decoder 2 to 4 is the entity name. So entity decoder 2 to 4 is. Next I am declaring input output ports of the 2 to 4 decoder. A and B are inputs. So a comma b colon in, each one is a single bit value. So std logic. Next y0, y1, y2 and y3 are outputs. So y0 comma y1 comma y2 comma y3 colon mode out std logic. Okay, end entity name is decoder 2 to 4. So end decoder 2 to 4. Next architecture part. In the architecture part you have to write architecture name of decoder 2 to 4 is entity name is decoder 2 to 4, architecture name is behavioral. Okay, next you have to use begin. Okay, so y0 is equal to a bar dot b bar. Okay, so not a dot means logical and, so and not b. So y0 less than equal to not a and not b. Next y1 is equal to a bar dot b. So y1 is equal to a bar b. So here I made a mistake. A01 is a bar b. So not a and b. Okay, in the second line y1 less than equal to not a and b. Okay, y2 is equal to a b bar. So a and not b. Okay, y1 y2 little bit change. So y1 is equal to actually a bar b. So not a and b. Okay, y2 is equal to a b bar. So a and not b. Okay, please note it. y1 is equal to not a and b. y2 less than equal to a and not b. Okay, y3 is equal to a dot b. So a and b. Okay, so y0 less than equal to not a and not b. y1 less than equal to not a and b. y2 less than equal to a and not b. Okay, y3 less than equal to a and b. Next end architecture name is behavioral. So end behavioral. Okay, thank you.